Once you've done the initial setup for your Google Cast for Education, you'll need to follow a few steps to get it ready to use in the classroom. First, you'll need to find your Google Cast for Education icon, and you'll do that by going to the multicolor waffle in the upper left-hand corner of your browser, and it's labeled Apps. If you click on it, there'll be several pages of apps depending on how many you have. This is the Google Cast for Education icon. Go ahead and click on it and you'll get a pop-up screen. And in this screen, and you'll have to do this each time, you'll want to name your room. And the easiest way to do that is your last name and the classroom you're in. You'll also want to make sure that these first two boxes are toggled and then click Save. It may take a moment or two to create the room. Once your room is created, your pop-up screen will look like this. There's a blue share button, just like all of the other Google products. This is where you'll be able to invite students to share their screen onto yours so that you can then project it for the entire class. I'm going to click the share button. This also takes a moment or two. This is a brand new app, so sometimes they're still working bugs out, but it works pretty well other than the spinning. Here you can invite individuals by typing in their email account. And you can give them permissions, like they can request to be part of your class or they can just present. You want to make sure that you use the default can request. That means that they have to ask you digitally if they can present to your class. Once you have the name in and their permissions, you can click Add. You can also download an entire roster from your Google Classroom. And these are all of my Google Classroom rooms. So if you'd like everyone in your SAMR class to be able to present to your screen, you just click here and give them the same permissions and click Add. Once you're done adding all of your permissions, all of your students and all of their permissions, click Save. And students will be able to find your classroom on their Chromebook.